everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and welcome back to the second part of my favorite non-fiction books. But before starting the video, I will be glad if you please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification right next to it. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now, the very first book I am going to share with you in today's video is called The Road Less Traveled by M. Scott Peck. Now, this book is based on psychology of human, and this book is divided into 4 parts called Discipline, Love, Growth and Religion, and Grace. Now, in each part there are several chapters dealing with the psychology of that part, and each chapter tells you the essential stories of how to deal with the psychology of that part, like discipline, love, spiritual growth, religion, and grace, and everything. So yeah, I think it's a great book, even though it's a pretty long book, but yeah, it's a great book. Now, the second book I'm going to share with you today is called The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, which is this one. Now, this book is a memoir of Anne Frank, a 13-year-old girl who unfortunately didn't survive the Second World War, and after her demise, her father actually published her diary as a book, which is this one. Now, this is a great book, a heartbreaking one, but a great book. It's so heartbreaking and pathetic to know that she was only 13 years old, and how world wars affected the life of normal people like you and me. So yeah, it's so heartbreaking, but it's a great book, and I think everyone should read this book. Up next, we have the international bestseller book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Now, this is the book if you are looking for a finance book. Now, this book not only tells you how to invest and how to make profit and how to stay wealthy and being wealthy and all of that. This book actually tells you that money has its own psychology, and when you align your psychology with the psychology of money, that's when you create a wealthy life and you stay wealthy. So yeah, it's a completely different book from other financial books I have read. So yeah, I think it's a great book, and I think for every financial book lover, and if you are looking for a financial self-help book, then this book is a must-have. Now, last but definitely not the least, I have Yuval Noah Harari's Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, and Homo Deus, A Brief History of Tomorrow. Now, both these books deserve a separate, fully dedicated video. So yeah, I am going to do that real quick, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, the Sapiens, A Brief History of Humankind, as the name suggests, it deals with the history of humankind, the evolution of humankind, and everything that has happened in the past. Everything has been covered in these books, and these 2 books are just encyclopedia of knowledge. So yeah, and Homo Deus, A Brief History of Tomorrow, deals with the questions we have. What will be our future? What will it look like? And yeah, everything, it tells you everything. So yeah, these 2 books are just must read, I think, and everyone should read these 2 books. So that was it for my favorite non-fiction books, and if you haven't watched the first part of this video, then please click on the I button or check out the description box for that video. And I hope these 2 videos will be helpful for you, and if you like this video, then please give this video a big thumbs up. It really means a lot to me, and I will catch you in my next one. Till then, tata.